Hello everyone, Colin Canet here. A few weeks ago I put out an invitation for anybody who wanted to meet up with me at the Vintage Swap Meet. We'd go through it together. Well, 3 people showed up and the 4 of us went through. Here's a picture of the 4 of us together. And you know, 2 of the guys got some great deals on some tools. I didn't do anything except take some pictures, and I put together this, it's just a couple-minute long slideshow so that you can see what went on this year. And you can enjoy it from the comfort of your seat. And check out and see how many woodworking related items you can spot in these pictures.